Well, all right, folks. Wow, this is amazing. Like you hold your right hand over the right cup, and it literally clears up everything. You hear a little audible tone, letting you know that you're now in transparency mode, and then when you release it, active noise canceling is back on. So I pretty much have been immersed with these headphones. I lost track of time actually, so I shot that first part, and then I actually had to redo it because I didn't even realize the time had passed, and I was like, you know what, these are some good freaking headphones. Now normally I use Sony over the ear headphones to do a lot of editing when I want to cancel out the sound, and the ones I've gotten they're from 3 to 5 years ago, but they still work like new and they work great. But these right here are going to be good for editing and also just enjoying music. Phone calls is going to be important to me too, because I do a lot of phone calls, and with all the microphones on here and canceling out sound, this is going to be great. So also when I work out in the morning or I go for a walk in the morning, these are going to be great. I'm going to actually take them on a walk here in a little bit to test them out to see how fatigued I get, if you will. But I am really impressed so far. This is my first impressions, and I think one thing I can attest to is I don't think I'll get fatigued very easy with these. I think I'm going to be able to wear these for a very long time because they are lightweight, folks. Extremely lightweight. They come in real minimalistic packaging. I'm pretty sure it's recycled paper, but and even that looks cool. But then the packaging itself, you get a nice carrying case that you can throw into any backpack or just strap it on, because these are really lightweight and they feel really good once you get them on. So pairing them, obviously use the Sony Connect app. It's one that we all know and love. If you have Sony products, you know what the Sony Connect app is. But if you don't know, head into your App Store or Play Store and just get Sony Connect app, and you'll see a little yellow icon with some headphones on it. Use that to set up your headphones, and I think you'll be amazed how simple and seamless it is. Now, I chose an equalizer through Sony this time through the app. I normally would do a custom equalizer, but I heard the sound of these and I thought, whoa, I don't want to mess this up, so I'm going to choose one of theirs. So there's several different ones you can choose from. Bass. I chose Excited. And that's not so much what it appears to be. It doesn't make it really loud or anything. It still has a lot of bass, but just enough mids and highs to keep you right there, right in the right spot. So I think these are going to be great for working out. Now, I'm also going to test these on a live stream because they're guaranteeing up to 30 hours of battery life. And I really want to test that out because some of the long live streams are about an hour and a half to 2-3 hours sometimes. And sometimes backstage, you're there for another hour or two. So I would definitely put these on a full charge and then do some testing that way as well. But for now, my first impressions, sound quality obviously is Sony. I've always given Sony like the crown for sound quality. If it didn't win everything, it definitely won for sound. But these right here, the hardware is good. The comfort and feel is good. I just need to come back to you on battery after a few weeks of use. But overall, I think these are going to be really impressive. The noise canceling is off the charts, folks. And, you know, putting your hand over the right earbud to open up transparency mode is actually really dope. And I was outside working in the garage, and I had both of them on. I had the garage open, and I'm just moving. I'm about to mount some flat screens out there and do some stuff in the garage and decorate a little bit. And the FedEx lady walked up. I had no idea she was behind me. And I heard someone saying, John, real faint. And I hit the boom. I was like, oh, she scared the crap out of me. But nonetheless, these are great. And first impressions are, I am extremely impressed. But we're going to give them a long run, a long test, see if they can be a lot better than my older Sonys. Because sometimes the older products just work. But I guarantee you with these, having the option for a 3.5 or wireless, it's going to be really impressive. So I'm actually getting ready to go work out. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Let's get back to this music.